Kernel Cloud Backup. Amazon S3 Backup tool lets you securely backup your buckets and objects stored in Amazon's S3 account. The tool establishes a secure connection with your S3 account utilizing the secret key and access key. It will analyze and enlist all the buckets in your account and allow you to back up all or just individual buckets. Let's see how to take Amazon S3 Backup step by step. Press Window plus Q to access the search box in Windows and type Kernel Migrator for SharePoint. Launch the software by clicking Open. Under the Source section, right-click Cloud Backup Amazon S3 box, Dropbox and select Cloud Backup. This will launch the Cloud Backup module. Click Next to proceed. For the Cloud Services components, select Amazon S3 from the drop-down menu. Now provide the value for the access key and secret key of your Amazon account to establish a connection. Also specify your cloud endpoint from the list and click Next. After a successful connection, the tool will enlist all the buckets stored in your Amazon S3 account. You can select the buckets you want to download to your local machine. After selecting the buckets, click Next. You can double-click a bucket to expand it and view the objects inside it. And, in case you don't want to back up the entire bucket, you can also select specific buckets inside other buckets. If you want backup of all the buckets displayed here, simply check Amazon S3 to auto-select all the buckets. Once done, click Next. You can set the date and file filters for a more customized backup. If you choose a particular start date, the tool will only include the objects in backup that were made or modified on or after this specified date. Additionally, you can specify if you want to include or exclude a particular file format from backup. For a quick backup, you can set an operational timeout limit. By default, it's 20 minutes, and you can increase or decrease it as per your preference. Once done setting the filters, click Next. Now click Browse and select a location to save your backup file. Clicking Next will initiate the process and start backing up all the chosen buckets one by one. After the backup process is finished, the tool will display the status and location of the backup file you saved. Click OK, then click Finish to quit the backup. For a seamless Amazon S3 Cloud Backup, download the tool from the link. Have a great day.